In this problem, you have to find positive integer solution. The equation is 4 raised to the power a minus 36 raised to the power b is equals to 28. So in this case, you have two unknowns a and b, and you have to find solution for these two unknowns. One equation, two unknown. How will you solve this? Now in this case, one constraint condition is given, that is, these are positive integer. So we will also use this fact that a and b are positive integers while making the solution. So how will you proceed? This kind of problem can be done using factorization. So you have something like this minus this, and this is equals to this. So you can factorize like a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So you can use this formula a square minus b square, this is equals to a plus b into a minus b to factorize the given problem. So this is a minus b. But now the problem is, this is not obvious from the given equation. So let us try to simplify this. So 4 can be written as 2 square and then power a. 36 can be written as 6 square raised to the power b is equals to 28. Now see, I want a square minus b square, but I have here something different, 2 raised to the power 2a here, 2 here and b here. Now we can use the rules of exponent, that is a raised to the power m raised to the power n. This is equals to a raised to the power m times n, which is also equals to a raised to the power n raised to the power m. So this means you can interchange the power. In this case, n is inside, basically m is inside and n is outside, but here n is inside and m is outside. So you can interchange the power. So let's do that. So you will have, so if you interchange power, a and b will be get interchanged. So we will have 2 raised to the power a and a square minus 6 raised to the power b and then a square is equals to 28. Now see, we got in the form of a square minus b square. So we can factorize and then we can write this is 2 raised to the power a plus 6 raised to the power b multiplied by 2 raised to the power a minus 6 raised to the power b is equals to 28. Now what are the factors of 28? So if you factorize 28, you will have 2, 14, next time 2 and then 7. So 28 can be written as 2 into 2 into 7. That is, let me write 2 into 2 into 7. So now I have on the left hand side one number and another number. So product of two numbers are 28. So how many ways this is possible? And the factors are 2 into 2 into 7. So the possibilities are, so first number is 1 and the second number is 28. Then in that case product will be 28. So I am not writing the product. Second possibility is the first number is 28 and this is 1. Next possibility you can have, that is 14 and 2. And this can be 2 and this can be 14. Or you can have 4 into 7 or you can have 7 into 4. So these are the possibilities you have. How many possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 possibilities we have. But now we have given the condition that a and b are positive integers. A is greater than 0 and b is also greater than equal to 0. Positive integers. So now with this, let us try to simplify, or let us try to find how many solutions can be ruled out. Now let us observe this term. So this is 2 raised to the power a plus 6 raised to the power b, and this is negative 2 raised to the power a minus 6 raised to the power b. Now a, b are positive numbers. This means if you take the powers here, this term will always be larger than the second term. So now I have an observation. So if I call this as a first term and this is the second term, so second term is always larger. So this is the first observation. Second term, no, first term, sorry. So first term because plus, so first term is larger or bigger term compared to the second term. So now which solution will be ruled out? First term is larger. In this case, first term is a smaller. So this gets ruled out. This also ruled out. First term is a smaller, ruled out. So three solutions we have ruled out. Now let us see the second condition. Now this number, that is 2 raised to the power a plus 6 raised to the power b. 2 raised to the power a is an even number and 6 raised to the power b is also even number. In fact, here also 2 raised to the power a minus 6 raised to the power b. So this is even minus even. So both terms are even. So now the second conclusion I have, that is both terms are even. Both terms are even. Because if you add even number in even number, it will be even number, or if you subtract even number from even number, it will be even number. So what are the possibility that gets ruled out? We cannot have this possibility because this is even and this, the first one is odd, that is not possible, and this is also not possible because 1 is odd. So this means we have ruled all the possibility and we are left with only one possible solution, and that is this one. That is 2 raised to the power a plus 6 raised to the power b is equals to 14. So let us write these solutions. So I have 2 raised to the power a, let me write here, 2 raised to the power a plus 6 raised to the power b, this is equals to 14. And the second equation is 2 raised to the power a minus 6 raised to the power b, and this is equals to 2. So now you can solve these two equations. So if you add these two equations, this cancels out. So you will have 2 times 2 raised to the power a is equals to 16. This implies 2 raised to the power a plus 1 is equals to 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4. This means a plus b is equals to 4. This means a is equals to 3. So from here I can say a is simply equals to 3. Now what is the value of b? So you can find the value of b by plugging the value of a in any one of the equation. 2 raised to the power 3 plus 6 raised to the power b is equals to 14. This implies 6 raised to the power b is equals to 14 minus 8, that is 6, which is equals to 6 raised to the power 1. So this means from here I can say b is equals to 1. So we have solution here, and the solution is a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 1. So this is the only possible solution in this case. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like to this video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.